for a little ride. We are at a, is it EOC? Yeah, no, COE, Corps of Engineers Park, and it's pretty cool. I think they were like $15 a night, something, oh, there's a squirrel. $15 a night. No sewer, but it does have everything else. I think it's all 30 amp here, but really cool little park. So Red and I are taking a little walk, and there's a marina over here. So we're gonna go check it out. Looks like there's a little trail here, which is kind of nice right along the lake. So we'll go check it out. It's fall in Florida. It does exist. It's beautiful. There is a bit of bugs. Isn't it pretty? Check out this view.
Good drone shot too.
So it doesn't get much picturesque than this. Got a little fire going. I've got my Hallmark movies because I am a Hallmark movie junkie. We have some burgers, getting started on the grill over here, the griddle. And all is well. We got a tired little pup-pup.
Yes.
How's it going?
The chef.
The chef has entered the campground.
Chef, 13 minutes.
Red light camera ahead. We are on our next destination. Thanksgiving Day.
Red light camera ahead.
Happy Thanksgiving. Going under I-10. Rather be going under it than over it. guys, Shannon and Rudder here from Our Rigged Adventures. Just wanted to give a big thanks for watching our videos, and we really would appreciate if you haven't subscribed or liked, please do so, because it really does help our channel. And back in Florida, so stay tuned for more videos. We have much more from the Cotton Hill COE and also from the Little Grand Canyon in Georgia, so check it out.